Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today, like you see, I have made flavorful and mouth-watering Thalassery biryani. My sons call it as white biryani. If you like my recipes, please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Here I have taken 3½ cup of Basmati rice. It weighs 620 gram. Clean the rice and soak it for 30 minutes. Here I have taken 1 kg of chicken. For that I am adding 1½ tablespoon of curd, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, salt to taste. Mix well and keep it in a refrigerator for 30 minutes. Please follow the measurement for biryani masala. Don't add more than what I am showing. 1 mace, that is Javitri, 2 dry red chilli, 4 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1 star anise, 2 inch of 2 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of Sha Jeera, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 small bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of khaskhas. It's optional. Dry roast all the spice in a low flame except poppy seed, that is khaskhas, and we'll add it later. And add small piece of nutmeg. Roast all the spices till you get that pleasant aroma. Now switch off the flame, then add the poppy seed. Add this roasted spice into a mixie jar and make a fine powder. From biryani masala, take 1 teaspoon of it and keep it aside. Next step, here I am shallow frying the onion and cashews, but if you want, you can deep fry it. Add cashews and raisins according to your preference. To fry, I have taken 2 medium-sized onions cut long and thin. Keep an eye on the onion, don't burn. In a remaining oil, I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. And here I have taken 4 tablespoons of crushed ginger and 4 tablespoons of garlic and 7 green chilli crushed. We are not adding any chilli powder or green chilli further. Saute it for a minute till the raw smell leaves. Then add 2 big onions sliced long and thin. Add salt to taste. When onion become translucent, add 2 medium-sized tomato. And add handful of coriander leaves chopped. And add pudina less than coriander leaves and saute it. No need to soften the onions and tomatoes. Add the marinated chicken and cook it in a high flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, water is released from the chicken. Now add biryani masala and add 1 medium-sized lemon, but you add the lemon according to the sourness. Check the salt, if needed, add. Now cover the chicken and cook it till it is 80% done. To make a cashew and coconut paste, you need 10 cashews and 3 tablespoons of coconut. Add little water and make a paste. Don't add more coconut, this will change the flavor. Add this into a chicken masala and saute it for a minute or 2. The chicken masala is loaded with flavor and 80% of chicken is cooked. Now switch off the flame and add 2 pinch of biryani masala and few coriander and pudina leaves. And cover this and keep it aside. I'm making Thalassery biryani with basmati rice, but if you like, you can make with jeera masala rice. Add 2 pinch of fennel seed, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 4 cardamom pods and 3 tablespoons of onion. Add this into a oil and ghee mixture. No need to saute this, you can add water. When water boils, add the salt little more and add the basmati rice. Cook the basmati rice for 80%. When you press, you can feel little hardness and rice should have its length. Now strain the rice. To get a beautiful yellow color for this biryani, you need 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Rose water is optional. Now it's time for dum. Keep all the ingredients close to you. Add few fried onion and mix well. Add the first layer of basmati rice. Level it. Then add cashew and raisins. Then add fried onions. Everything add in balance. Add 2 pinch of biryani masala. A few coriander and pudina leaves. Add ghee and add lemon juice according to the sourness, and add the turmeric milk. This will give the beautiful color. And I'm adding the second layer of rice and follow the same step as I'm shown. End this with the turmeric milk. Here I'm using the thick turkey towel for dum, but instead you can use the aluminium foil and cover it with a lid, or you can use the maida dough around the pan and cover it. Take a tawa which is old or not using at home. In a big burner, keep the tawa and heat it for 5 minutes in a high flame. After 5 minutes, keep the kadai and cook it for 3 minutes in high flame and 10 minutes in low flame. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. Don't touch it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now check the beautiful and scrumptious biryani. It's very flavorful, must try recipe. And one more point, the chicken masala should have the semi gravy, then only there will be a masala for biryani rice. This biryani requires balance, don't overdo it. Please follow the steps. If you like the biryani I have shared, you can check out my chicken dum biryani, which no need of any biryani masala, and easy peasy cooker biryani. The link will be in the description box below. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.